So it was the Ashanti Regional Derby here in Obuasi, the match day 5 of the Ghana Premier League between the league leaders Ashanti Gold and Asante Kototko. They came into this game with one mindset, the bragging rights, who wins it. And Ashanti Gold showed early indications with Amos Adai getting this through pass to Shafiu. He dived, simulation, he got a yellow card for that one. Akaminku floated one deep into Kotoko area. Shot blocked by Wahab Adams. And CK was disappointed with that one. The first half didn't produce any goals. Back from recess, Kotoko showed early intentions. Wahab Adams dropped this one down for Akwesinti. Kwesi sent in a good cross, headed in by Mauli Osei, and he missed the pole by a whisker. Miscommunication between Samed Ibrahim and George Owu. This ball found Mauli Osei. He had a virtually empty net, and he failed to deliver. Corner by Apia Makati, headed in by Samed Ibrahim for the first goal for Obuasi Ashanti Gold. Well taken corner kick. I'll jump in everybody to nod in for the opening goal of the afternoon for Ashanti Gold. And this is the moment when Ashanti Gold got into the driving seat. Good play from the Ivorian international. He found Shafiu and he blasted past goalkeeper Felix Annan. Good skill. Always going to talk about this because it was that move that resulted in this goal by Shafiu Mumini, his third of the season in 5 games for Ashanti Gold. At the end of the day, 2-0 for Ashgold, and watch out this celebration. Oh my word. 2-0 for Obuasi Ashanti Gold after match day 5 of the Ghana Premier League here at the Obuasi Lane Clay Sports Stadium.